So welcome back, another Will It Mix video. Stacy, what are we doing today?
Today we are going to do Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid. So we're just gonna put the powder in the slime?
Yeah.
Okay. You doing the red, the cherry?
Sure. Or I'll do the blue if you want me to.
Yeah, you do the blue.
Okay.
We got the red cherry.
And the blue raspberry.
Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna do the white base. Oh, this white base is sticky. Alright, so let's see how this will work out.
Mine's white. Oh, it's turning blue though.
It is turning blue. That is cool. Hopefully you guys can see that.
I just made a mess.
Did you?
I was trying to pick it up. Oh gosh.
Oh, here we go. Oh no!
I'm a Smurf.
You are a Smurf. Look at the color on this red though.
The blue looks like electric. Like a neon blue.
It does. It looks like the toothpaste, the Crest toothpaste when it came out of the tube.
Yeah.
I do like that color though. Maybe.
Well, that would be a good Halloween color.
Yes, it would. I just don't know if
It smells really good in here though.
it smells amazing. This poor food, like the food has not really worked in our favor. Like it completely dissolves the slime. I know you guys see what we start with. I mean, it's a good batch. Okay, I'm back. Battery died on the camera, but I went to go wash my hands to get another battery. This thing has freaking dyed my hands. So Stacy, you're gonna be definitely a blue Smurf. It is complete water now. I can't even pick it up. But that to be said, it smells really good actually.
If you mix them together, it'll be purple.
We should mix them together.
Look, it's purple. Oh man, I just touched the red. What's wrong with me?
You're gonna have red. It is purple.
Be a purple Smurf.
Sorry, we got lost. So thank you guys. Will Kool-Aid packet mix into slime? No, it will not. It absolutely will not. It will dye your hands, as it has dyed mine, because I went and washed my hands. So thank you guys. We really appreciate all the comments, all the follows, all the subscribers. You guys are amazing. We appreciate all the support.
And if y'all have any suggestions.
Oh, yeah. Any suggestions? So Stacy's been saying, hey, we need to ask them if you guys have any suggestions of what we should mix into our slimes. I know there's been a couple in the comments, and I got those tracked, and we're going to put those on a sheet and hopefully get through those as well. But let me know in the comments if you guys have any other ideas. We will see what we can do. But I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you guys again, and we'll see you in the next video.